Yeah. Run, 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 run. Almost out of battery though. I'm glad that amuses you. Let's have you just do that for a while. Uh-oh, got away. You gonna throw that one under there too? I guess so. Ah, you love a good challenge. Is that it? Can you get? Oh, good job. Got one. You did it! Two! Good job! Good throw, too. Wow! Oop, another one behind me? Yeah, there it is. Good job, you picked them both up. Oh. Oh, you did it! You did it! Wow. Have you schlepping our gear backpacking before you know it? Uh-oh. There's one. You can do it. You can do it. You did it before. There you go. You're doing it. Good job. Good job. A little further. You did it. Good job. Well, I brought you in here to cool off, buddy, but you're just going to keep making yourself hot. Oh. Gotcha. Uh-oh. Okay, just put them both under there. That worked. Oh! Just got away. Just got away a little more. Good throw. Wow. Got away. The object now to keep both of them moving. You can get it. Oh, did it go way far where you can't even get it? You can get it. You can get it. Go on, you can do it. Go on. You can do it. We'll watch you. Yeah, it's pretty frustrating, isn't it? But you put it under there, so shouldn't you have to get it? I think you should be the one to go get it. Had about enough, huh? Okay. You're getting it. You're doing it. Come on. You can do it. Okay. I'll come help. We'll say goodbye.